Kawawa naman yung batang yun, naiwan sa bahay. You're all alone in the house. So kulit kasi. Halika na. Halika na. You want to go outside? Say mo, please. Please. Halika na, halika na. Lakad na. Play na, play. Run fast. Oh, tontuwa, oh. Oh. Nagagalit na si Mingay. Stop na daw. Mingay. Kikay.